Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be giving you a comfortable but dressy lookbook. I know that everybody wants to be comfortable no matter what. So even when you're looking your best, you want to be able to last at least 5 hours in your outfit without crying. Because sometimes I wear some shoes and I just wonder what is going on. Why did I do this to myself? So first thing I want to say though is if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe because I'll be posting videos very consistently. And also make sure you give this video a like and check out my social media links, which should be down in the description box, because if I'm not here, I'm more than likely on my social media. So the first outfit that I want to show you is a white romper that I got from Princess Polly. I love this romper. It is so comfortable and it fits me so well. And I know not everybody's a fan of rompers because you have to take it all off when you have to, you know, go. But this romper is just lovely. And these pink shoes are just comfortable. They're wedges. They're from Payless. I would definitely suggest buying these or wearing an outfit like this when you're going out for a meal, going out to get ice cream, going out to the park, even going on a date with your new bae or with your old bae, or going to chill at somebody's house. The next outfit I want to show you is actually very, very dressy in my opinion, and it's for more of a glam time, and I would say it's more of an afternoon to evening look. It is this black flared sleeve top that ties at the back, has a cut down the middle, a choker detail, and the back is open with lace details. There is so much going on in this top. It's a suede skirt with lace up, with 2 lace up details at the front. The top is from Showpo and the skirt is from Fashion Nova. And then to top it off, I paired it with these black heels from Shoe Dazzle, and they're so comfortable. Mind you, I must admit that the part that you tie around your foot does slip down sometimes because it's very soft suede-ish material that they use to make the tie, but it's still such a beautiful piece. It's just perfect for still looking dressy and fun but being comfortable at the same time. The next outfit I want to show you is this nice purple romper, and it's very comfortable but very stylish at the same time. It has a deep V, it has embroidery on it. The back is actually mesh and see-through. It has this nice embroidered choker on it, and I paired it with some brown sandals, and let me tell you, this outfit is so comfortable. But you can also add heels to it. I would suggest adding light heels like a tan or a white, or even anything that's a neutral color but lighter. I definitely see this going well for a more dressy look. And if you add darker colors to it, you can even wear it in the night, because I personally did wear it in the night to a very lovely formal event. The next outfit that I want to show you is a black romper that I got from Princess Polly, and it is very comfortable. The fabric is thick and soft, and the embroidery is done very well. And then I paired it with these tan heels that I got from Amazon, and these heels are actually very comfortable, and I will try to link it below. This black romper can be worn, in my opinion, if you're going out for drinks with your friends, if I wanted to go to a bar, if I wanted to go to a party, probably not in a club but just a house party, going out walking on the streets with my friends in the night, I definitely see it working. The next outfit I want to mention is this nice blue jumpsuit that I got from Showpo. I love the floral patterns on it. It's very comfortable, the material is very good, and it has a nice stretchy waistband, so if you're going somewhere where you're eating, you don't have to worry. I could see myself wearing this to go for errands. And then I'm wearing heels with them now, but you can wear flats with them, and you can change into heels if you need to go to a lunch date. I can even see you wearing this to like a work lunch date. It's just such a versatile piece. Okay guys, that's my lookbook. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like the ideas I gave you for dressy, comfortable pieces. You can tell me down below which one is your favorite. I'm not sure which one is my favorite right now because I love all of them. But yeah, let me know down below which one is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can watch my next video. And you might need to turn on the post notifications so that just in case you forget when I'm posting the next video, you know, you can always, it will give you a notification and let you know that I posted. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Alright, bye guys.